Let's learn with crayons. Welcome to the farm, where our animal friends are ready to say hello. Let's meet our farm animal friends one by one. Cluck cluck. Here's our busy little hen. Hen. She lays yummy eggs for us. Neigh neigh. Meet our strong horse. 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 He helps us plow the fields. Oink oink. Look at our chubby pig. 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 He loves to roll in the mud. Moo, moo. This is our friendly cow. 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 She gives us delicious milk every day. It has two big long horns. Buffalo. 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 It loves to graze in the fields and play with its friends. Boar. 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 This friendly creature enjoys digging for tasty treats and rolling around in the mud. Goose. 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 The goose loves to swim in the pond and honk happily throughout the day. Baa. Baa. Goat. Goat. Goat is always exploring and climbing on anything it can find. What a great climber! Baa baa. Sheep. 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 This fluffy sheep gives us warm wool to make cozy sweaters. Quack quack. Duck. 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 Look at our duck waddling around. He loves swimming in the pond. Hee-haw. Donkey. 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 The donkey helps carry things around the farm and loves to give rides to the little ones. Squeak. Rabbit. 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 The rabbit loves to nibble on carrots and play hide and seek with its friends. Woof woof. Dog. 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 This is our loyal farm dog. He keeps an eye on all our animal friends. Meow meow. Cat. 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 We have our furry feline friend, the cat. The cat is always prowling around. Like, share, subscribe.